How to remove contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any of your contact. Here, you can view this person's contact information such as their name, photo, number, and more. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Edit below their profile photo. Once you're here, swipe up the photo as shown. And then, tap on the Delete icon below. Tap on Delete to confirm. You have now successfully deleted their contact photo on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily remove contact photo on iPhone.